boys and girls, we're going to go over a little bit more about Chart 11. This is something that you don't have at home to look at, but I wanted to help practice this rule here that when C is followed by E, I, or Y, then it's going to be a soft C, and it's going to say that S sound, like C in city, so it's the S sound. So when C is followed by E, I, or Y, it says S. And here's some examples of that. Scent, grace, rice, nice. Let's look at that rule. When C is followed by E, or I, or Y. So this C is followed by an E. See how it tells us if it's followed by an E. This C is followed by an E. This C is followed by an E. And this C is also followed by an E. So we know that these C's are all going to say S, like an S, soft C. Down here we have C followed by E again. C followed by E, C followed by E, C followed by E. So all of these are soft C too. Spice, lace, race, and face. This was also followed by an E, followed by an E, followed by an E, and followed by an E. And we have place, space, grace, and trace. Fence, prince, glance, and chance. See how those are all a C followed by an E also. So that makes all of these have the soft sound S, the soft C. Here we have C followed by an E, followed by an E, followed by an E. This one's followed by an I. Let's see what this word is. Principle, principle. So that's a soft C because it's followed by an I, just like our rule tells us up here. It has, if it's followed by an E, an I, or a Y, it's going to say S. So all of these were E's. We've got voice, choice, principle. This one, we have the C followed by LE on the end, but the C at the beginning is followed by an I. So listen to what happens on this word. Circle. So this is a soft C, and this is a hard C. Because this one's followed by an I, it makes it a soft C. This one's followed by an L. Does it say anything up here about it being followed by an L? No, it doesn't. So it's going to have the hard C sound. Circle, circle. All right, let's look at this one. Circus. That does the same thing. It's got two C's with two different C sounds. Soft C, hard C. Soft C is followed by an I. The hard C is followed by a U. Our rule says if it's followed by an I, it'll say S, but it doesn't say anything about U. So, circus. Pencil. Pencil. This C is followed by an I. And so it's a soft C. Cinderella. It even works with names. If it's followed by an I, if C is followed by an I, it will be a soft C. Cinderella. Cancel. Cancel. This one is a hard C here because it's followed by an A. And our rule says E, I, or Y to make the S sound. So that one's followed by an A. So it's a hard C. Soft C is followed by an E. Yep, followed by an E. So that's a soft C. Cancel, cancel. This one's followed by an E. So what's it going to be? Soft or hard? It's going to be soft. Center, center, like the civic center or the center of the court. Rejoice, rejoice. Well, there's a C followed by an E again. So that makes it a soft C. Rejoice. And princess, princess. That C is followed by an E again. So that makes it a soft C. Princess. And here's some examples and sentences. Spencer and Cindy went to the circus. A funny clown was riding a bicycle around in circles. Then Spencer and Cindy had some ice cream. It cost 55 cents. And I'm going to go through and circle every soft C that I see. Spencer, Cindy, circus, a funny clown, that's a hard C, was riding a bicycle around in circles. Then Spencer and Cindy had some ice cream. Now that's a hard C. It cost 55 cents. Now if we look, every single soft C here is going to be followed by an E, an I, or a Y. This one's followed by an E. This one's followed by an I. This one's followed by an I. This one's followed by an I. This one's followed by an E. Followed by an I. Followed by an E. Followed by an E. All right, so just a little bit of review about how to know whether that spelling word or whether that word you're trying to write down, how do you know if it's an S or a soft C? And part of knowing that is remembering this rule. When C is followed by E, I, or Y, it will say S. All right. See you guys soon. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.